What is going on, you guys? Jay here with Clutch Detailing and Jay's Mobile Detailing. I hope you've been having a wonderful day, a wonderful week. God bless you. So I am currently sitting in the middle of a really dirty car. A couple of detailers, story has it, a couple of detailers just did not want to touch this vehicle. But I told them, hey, you know what? I'm dumb enough and skilled enough to be able to hop in here and be able to detail it to the best of my ability. So let's go ahead and show them what I could do. Enough talking, and show you how dirty this vehicle is. And here it is. Oh my God, look at that. So this is grease stains, Coca-Cola stains, other stains, crayon, and there was like a weird odor in it, which you could tell from the flies fighting for the high ground right here in the back seat. But as far as it goes, I wanted to book them days in advance, but I just couldn't do it, mainly because my whole policy is that if you're going to book me for only interiors, I need pictures of it. I need you to send me pictures of it, from the front seats to the back seats to the cup holders, all that, and learn from my mistakes. Give them estimates. Don't give them any type of pricing until you see pictures, because if they only need interiors, it's because they really, really need it. So after taking out the mats, what I like to do is spray the carpet very lightly. I do not oversaturate it. I like to spray it with APC and then hit it with my drill brush, which, by the way, all of my tools and my chemicals, my entire setup is inside the description of this video, of every video, honestly. Even whenever I update on tools and chemicals, I put them in my description. But I like to spray with APC and agitate it with my drill brush and Tornador gun, because it really, really reduces dusting.
Brother,
So after I repeat that process on the entire carpet all throughout the vehicle, my biggest thing is that I go through with my Flex Bio Brake and spray that sucker all over. I mean, I lather that baby up.
yeah, boy.
So the biggest thing about Flex products, especially whenever it comes to bio brake or fire, is the dwell time. You always want to allow it to dwell, especially on these heavily soiled seats. I really, really want to have the product penetrate it, and you can see even right here that the product is already lifting up those stains. So what I like to do is I spray it in there, and then I allow it to dwell for 10 minutes, and then at the 5-minute mark I go, and you can see right here I agitate it with my drill brush. That way this allows the product to penetrate the fibers of these seats, and I'm not just sucking up anything with my extractor on the surface level. But you can see right here it's in powder form. I do 2 scoops of the bio brake within my pump, and then I do the ice within my extractor. Then right here you'll see that I am cycling the water just to make sure that I don't, 1, waste water, but 2 is that I allow it to cycle through the entire system until it gets really, really hot. And what you see me doing right now is that I don't want any extra overspray to get all over the center console that I just got done detailing and cleaning. So what I'm doing is I'm placing that towel right there so it doesn't get all over my clean work. All right, you guys, well, here is the before and here is the after. I mean, look at that. And like usual, the customer loved it, I loved it, and I got that 5-star review to close out this detail. Now, I just have to say, shout out to Serrano's Detailing, because man, I love and I am a firm believer in these flex products, especially with this Mytee extractor teamed up and paired with that. I just feel unstoppable whenever it comes to interiors, and I am just super proud of how this one came out, and I'm just so ecstatic. But as far as it goes, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Thank you for joining me on this detailing journey and just enjoying what I have to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I am more than happy to help you out any way that I can. But I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.